How to enable floating app window mode on your Tecno Camon 19 smartphone, Android 12. Let's get started. To get access to this feature, first you'll need to have the app open already, and you'll tap on the recents button here. Okay, so when you do that, you'll see the app that you have open already. And for every app that you have open already, there is going to be a icon found right there at the top right, which is your floating app windows mode. Okay, and not every app will have this feature, but if it does, you'll see it there. Once you tap on it here, it'll appear like this here, and you can continue doing what you want to do while the app is running in the background. And for example, this is YouTube. It's playing the video automatically here, and you can continue going about with the other app here. And let's say maybe you have this app fully open here, and or you can go ahead and tap on it right there and move it around here and navigate through it and all that stuff here. When you're done with it, instead of closing it out, you can tap on the app icon right there at the left side here. It'll return back to the full screen mode, and if not, you can come back here, go to this here, and you can place it like that or anywhere else you want to, doing like that there. And you can tap here on the three dots to shrink it back, and it'll return back like that there, or simply tap on it, press on the X here, and it'll close it out for you. And that's that. Like, sub, thanks for watching.